addressed at the state level.
Lawmakers meeting today to talk about ways to reverse the violent trend that's been plaguing our city. Overall, crime in Atlanta is up 10% from last year. But some of the most heinous offenses are even higher. Rape up 56%. Aggravated assault up 17%. Murder up 16%.
CBS 46's Haley Mason live in Atlanta, breaking down how state leaders are now holding legislative hearings focused on reversing crime in Atlanta. Also, they're going to try to, Haley, address the major backlog of cases.
Sean, that's right. Fulton County Sheriff Patrick Labat told us after that hearing that there have been some inmates in the Fulton County Jail sitting here for more than 5 years waiting to stand trial. We saw proof of how rising crime, case backlogs, and a lack of resources are all working together to plague the criminal justice system. We were granted a behind-the-scenes look inside the Fulton County Jail.
We're overcrowded. And unfortunately, every floor just about has boats.
Inmates sleeping on floor units they call boats. This is a jail over capacity, a result of case backlogs and rising crime.
It's a tough job having to deal with an overcrowded jail and also being short-staffed at the same time. So you have more inmates and less staff members.
Fulton Sheriff Patrick Labat testified about the issue as state senators launched their series of meetings aimed at reversing crime in Atlanta.
As of midnight last night, we have 1,683 warrants that still need to be executed.
Inside the state capitol, the director of the GBI, the Fulton Sheriff, Forsyth County Sheriff, Fulton Solicitor General, and other leaders spoke about public safety and how to make changes in the law. One controversial solution, reinstating mandatory minimum sentences.
Mandatory minimums are absolutely the right thing to do for violent offenders. And as so many people mentioned, we're okay with second chances, but not third, fourth, fifth, or 20 chances.
So I want to avoid us returning to an era in which we are incarcerating tons and tons of people. We've been in that place before. We know what these tough on crime laws do. It results in over-incarceration. It results in destroying families.
But low pay also a key issue brought to the lawmakers.
The days of asking someone to put their lives on the line for $50,000 and $60,000 is absolutely gone.
Fulton Solicitor General Keith Gamage says the court systems have to be more efficient. He says his office has 10,000 domestic violence cases and 7,000 DUI cases right now.
Those delays lead to sometimes us receiving cases, particularly DUI and domestic violence, a year and a half after the incident.
The lawmakers looking to meet again in November to work on legislative changes. And at that next meeting, I'm told that Atlanta Police Chief Rodney Bryant is expected to speak. Lawmakers meeting with other law enforcement officials who say the crime situation in Atlanta is not unique and confined to Atlanta, that it touches each of the surrounding counties. They're looking to put more money into law enforcement. The challenge, though, will be prioritizing what will be effective for communities long term. For now, reporting live outside the Fulton County Jail, Haley Mason, CBS 46 News.
Haley, thank you. New at 6.